old town square, you can feel that electricity in the air. There's a whisper rolling down the avenue, a sonic boom coming right at you. We're building up a wall of sound so tall to answer when the fundraising call. So lean in close, I'll tell you what you gotta do. Get ready, we got more good news for you. The amps are hot and the guitars are true. From the heart of the city to the dusty cantina, we're bringing the fire, a real scene steel. Get ready, we got more good news. Screaming on the slide guitar, burning down the roof like a shooting star. And the blues vultures in a three-piece suit knock you back with a rhythm and a bad attitude. Maria's voice like whiskey and rush, she'll sing your heart out till it turns to dust. And that's just a taste of the righteous rockin' crew. Get ready, we've got more good news for you. The beat is strong and the bases and a mission so true. For the cause we're seeing it through. So get ready, we got more good news. It's more than a party, it's a helping hand, keeping the music alive across this land. Every dollar raised, every cheer we hear fills this whole world with rhythm and cheer. So let the love flow, let the good times roll. Cause we've got the good news for you. There's gonna be good rockin' tonight. Get ready, cause we've got the good news for you. There's gonna be good rockin' tonight. Good rockin' tonight at the Rockin' Blues Explosion. So get ready.